Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today I'm going to show you how to pair your PlayStation 5 controller to your Android phone. The phone we will be using today is a Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. And of course, we are going to be using the DualSense PlayStation 5 controller. The links for both of these items will be down in the description. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing we need to do is find the Bluetooth settings. We are going to swipe down from the top and we are going to press and hold the Bluetooth button. Once in this screen, we need to make sure that the Bluetooth is on. Next, we are going to put the controller into pairing mode. We will press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time. We're going to hold it for a couple seconds and you will see it start blinking. On your phone, all we have to do is press the scan button and you will see the wireless controller come up all the way at the bottom. We are going to click on wireless controller. Now you'll see the Bluetooth pairing request and it'll say pair with wireless controller. We are going to click on pair. Now if you scroll all the way to the top on your phone, you will see that it says that we are now connected to the wireless controller. Now we are going to attempt to play Fortnite. And as you can see, it actually works. Keep in mind that this controller may not work with every single game. If you found this video useful, I would really appreciate it if you would support the channel by subscribing and liking the video. That is all I have for today. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.